Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making Baba Ganoush and we're using jarred eggplant. I found jarred eggplant a couple months ago and I thought, I wonder if I can make Baba Ganoush with this. So let's do it. Let's make it. According to my calculations, this is approximately 2 to 3 eggplants in this jar. We're going to open the jar up and we're going to dump it into a bowl. You're probably going to want to use a spatula for this part. Twirl it around a little bit, break it up. Now the good part of this is that the hard work is done. The reason that this is the lazy way is that I didn't have to roast 2 eggplants and do all this other nonsense. We'll do that at some point. Let me know in the description below if I'm a hack and a fraud for using jarred eggplant. In addition to this, you're going to need 1/3 cup of tahini. We also have 1/4 cup of olive oil. I ran out of the extra virgin. You should use the extra virgin if you have it. If not, any level of virginity is fine. You will survive. At this point, we're going to mince or crush or press 2 cloves of garlic. If you're feeling particularly lazy, you could also probably use garlic for this. I'm not gonna. I prefer fresh garlic. Hypocritical, I know. And we're just going to throw the garlic in. And then we're going to want the juice of a lemon. This one's quite juicy. Don't worry, it'll be okay. Then we're going to twiddle it around again. Get that lemon and the garlic all over. Okay, at this point, I'm pouring in my tahini. And again, mix it in until it looks mixed in. At this point, you should see it starting to get a little creamier because you added tahini. Now we're going to add in our olive oil very slowly. And it's starting to smell good, so you know that we're doing a good job. Okay, looking nice and creamy. Very tasty looking. I'm going to go ahead and add in about 1/2 bunch of flat leaf parsley that I've diced up, along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, maybe closer to 1/3 teaspoon. I added a little bit more once I realized that it was more eggplant than I thought I was dealing with. And again, notice everything quickly has come together and it looks very creamy and bright. It's a lot brighter than it was. Top it with your desired amount of smoked paprika and you've got a great dip. Or you can do what I'm going to do with it later this week and use it as a sauce for pita pizzas. Great lunches. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.